Okay, setting up the Microsoft Notebook. So first things first, we've at this point taken our first test, and now we are going to do we're going to do a review to set up our notebook. So first things first, you're going to click on transcript. You're then going to go to your test and your test score. This person did very decent on his test. So we're going to click on the exam that it was, and now it's going to give you your results on your score, and it's going to give you a breakdown. You're then going to click on this thing here. It says details. We click on that, and it gives you your whole entire test right here. So if we take a look at this, this tells you what you've gotten right, what you've gotten wrong. But before we collapse this stuff, you're going to notice that it's got manage documents. You'll see that it's in yellow. The part that was really incorrect over here was in red. It's going to give you a hierarchy of what you've gotten right and what you've gotten wrong. So I want to show you a good system on how to answer these questions and make us a reference for your notebook so you can get these answers correct and you can look at them while you're taking exams. So first thing that this person did is, which one did we do first? So we did managing documents first, right? Yeah. So we'll click managing documents, and the first one, which was in yellow, he got navigating within documents. So if you look at it, it's 1.1, and he's got navigating within documents, right? So if we come down here, here's what he did. He began making a table of contents where he's got 1.1 navigating within documents, and he has even written the task, where the task is right here, 422240. He's got that, 42240. Now, here's the deal. When you click on these three dots, it gives you exactly how to answer that question. So what he did is, he listed it right here. He's got it right here, navigate within documents, 4222, blah, 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 right? And then he began to answer it, which is navigating within documents, which is where? Oh, sorry. Navigating within documents, right here, 42220. He started it right here, 1.1. So for 1.1, this answer is right here, 1.1. Then he's got 1.2 for formatting documents. So that was right here for formatting documents, and that's 4222232, right? 4222232. Click on the three dots. Boom. You get your the answer right here. And right over here, as we go to the next page, where are we? 1.2. 1.2. And he started answering it with the linear list of directions. Now, this could be a bullet. This could be in paragraph phase. It doesn't matter the way that you write it. What really matters is that you write a linear list of directions in here. After you've compiled your list, you answer your list in numerical form right here, and you get it. You'll have a reference over here for all the stuff that you've gotten wrong based on your answers and your summary, okay? That's all here. Now, some people go in, when you go into the managing documents part, for managing documents, they actually write managing documents. They start highlighting all of the things that they want to as well. I don't mind the way that you set up your notebook. There's no, I'm not going to give you a specific, if you want to have to color code it, but you definitely need to list what you've gotten wrong based on these, on your analysis of what your self-assessment is. And after you've gotten that written down in here, then you're going to answer it numerically. So 1.1 is listed, and then 1.1 is answered. 1.2 is listed. 1.2 is answered. And before you know it, you will have a list of everything. So when you have to realize how you have to create and manage footnotes, you can go to 4.1, and then you're going to be able to go to 4.1, and this tells you exactly how to change and edit footnotes. Okay? All right. Good luck.